Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's Papa Bale and welcome to the channel. So in this experiment we're going to be looking at our oscilloscope. So I've taken the solid state out and I've replaced what the magnets do with this big coil on the bottom. Nice. Alright, so currently we're at 3 power supplies into this beast at 12 volts. Alright, so I'm going to let's go around the other side real quick. I'll show you what's pulsing the bottom coil of the signal generator, or the solid state over there. This trigger coil right here is pulsing. Hey Tiggs. There's the dual drive. We only got one drive hooked up of the dual drive right now. We got 2 of those power supplies hooked up to the solid state. I'm going to show you what's up with that in just a second. Alright, so I'm going to spin the wheel here. And at a low frequency, the iron core bounces up and down in the middle of that coil on the bottom. But anyway, here's our base frequency. Coming off of that big coil. About 220 hertz. Yeah, look at that. Alright, so that's coming off of the trigger coil, the transistor. And once it gets going fast enough, it'll stop making all the noise. Now watch this. Hold on. Boom. Let me turn the top coil on. We got both. Hold on just a second. Alright, so we've got that. Now we've got a steady sine wave coming from the signal generator from the top coil. Okay, so that middle coil is where we're getting our reading from. The top coil, sine wave across the board, like at 1.2K across the board, top and bottom, and then that mixed with that other wave. Woo-wee! That's awesome. Anyway, I'm going to turn it down a little bit. So this is the power for the wheel. Just let you know what's going into this. Power for the wheel. And we get something off of that spin even now when the power's off. See? Now the wheel power is off. Now I'm going to turn the bottom coil off. Yes, sir. And see, there's our straight sine wave from the little coil. About 1,950. Oh, that's even better. There we go. All right, let me show you what we got on there. At 426 hertz from the top coil, this is what we're looking at. It's like 406, it looks like. Wow, that's weird. So through the trigger coil even, we're getting a slight variation in the wave, like a little pulse through the trigger coil, which is awesome, with no power going into the, so it's just from the magnetic induction. Neat. Let me give it one more spin. All right. Whoa, whoa. So cool. All right. Thank you very much. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. And what we've seen here is the combination of the two coils, the one on the top and the one on the bottom, and their effect individually and simultaneously on the coil in the middle. So thank you very much. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.